increasing the amplitude slightly. Readings are stabilizing. Efficiency is optimized.
Industrial efficiency at its best. The vibrating deck ensures healthy kernels move forward, while lighter impurities are precisely drifted aside. Here, the wheat enters the washing channels. Water flows evenly, tumbling the grains gently to remove surface dust, ensuring a professional workflow.
How are the moisture levels looking on silo 3?
Holding steady, we're right on target.
Lipids. The conditioned wheat exits the silos through these controlled valves. The grain flow is precisely regulated.
The synchronized rotation of the steel rollers ensures maximum efficiency, while the team meticulously monitors the grind consistency for optimal quality.
Finishes. The professional workflow ensures maximum industrial efficiency as operators meticulously.
The oscillation seems stable.
Separation accuracy is holding at 99%.
Coarser particles are routed back to the roller mills for further grinding, with enclosed conveyors looping the material efficiently. Internal agitators prevent compaction as workers monitor the precise temperature and humidity, maintaining industrial efficiency. Increase the pressure on Jet 2.
Airflow adjustment confirmed.
Bags look good at this setting. accumulation lanes ensure continuous motion without downtime, maximizing industrial efficiency before palletizing. The sequencing logic optimized the retrieval path by 15%.
That explains the improved throughput on level 3.
This pallet is secure.
All checks passed. Clear the line.
Did you inspect the forks and the load stability?
Yes, everything looks good to go. Bring it forward slowly. Easy now, set it down right there. Looks balanced. Checklist complete on my end.
Straps are fully tensioned and secure, ready for transport.
Bay 3 clear, bring the next one in.
Copy that. Moving now.
Confirm the quantities for the replenishment order.
70,000 units confirmed. Submitting the digital order now.
All right, bring it in slow. Set it right there, tight against the bulkhead. Perfect. Let's grab the next one.
I found a tear on this one. Set it aside for return. Noted.
Произнеците брашно понапевстичник и спес приды пигиси, сикс пулы придет спец и преснидовочнуться. Скасимисник и ответ спрыску.
can just insert your card there.
Thank you.
And here is your receipt. Would you like a bag for those?
This level of integration ensures maximum efficiency. Every reorder is processed and routed in real time. We hit the 24% target on daily conversions.
Regional data shows consistent growth across all metrics.
The upcoming wheat volumes look stable based on these projections.
Agreed. We should confirm the logistics for the Eastern deliveries. I'm cross-referencing the shipping manifests now.
The vibration analysis confirms the roller alignment is stable.
Good. Motor temperatures are holding steady as well. We're clear for continued operation.
Emergency stop sequence initiated. Checking sensor response now. Cycle complete. All systems stable.
Operational integrity confirmed. Resuming standard workflow.
We stabilize the flow in Sector 3. Monitor the pressure differential here.
All right, I see it. We'll keep an eye on the vibration metrics for the milling line.
All systems checked and verified. Initiating automated startup sequence.
Monitoring line synchronization. Looks good.
The metrics are holding steady within the acceptance range. Approved for continuation.
Understood. Riveting. Here, inbound and outbound pallet movements balance seamlessly. Forklifts and cranes move in perfect harmony.
The efficiency metrics show a clear upward trend in on-time delivery.
The team's efforts toward continuous improvement are really paying off.
Retail data shows a 15% increase in demand this quarter. The production line is already scaling up to match.
Real-time monitoring ensures our energy and water consumption remains firmly within the green targets. This professional workflow minimizes waste. Brand byproducts are conveyed into dedicated storage systems for secondary use. Belts moving steadily, workers monitoring flow.
Based on the current turnover rate, we should move the high-demand flour to racks A3 through A6.
Agreed. That optimizes our retrieval paths for the next quarter.
We need to reroute the Jeddah shipment. Port congestion is critical.
Okay, diverting vessel 49er to Casablanca. ETA revised.
This visualization clearly shows where the bottleneck is occurring.
If we reroute the workflow here, we could optimize output.
Our state-of-the-art facility processes the finest wheat, delivering premium flour with unmatched industrial precision.